How are you, Naim?
Yeah, I am
How's
fine.
everything?
Yeah,
You are good?
everything is fine. Yeah. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Yeah. So I wanted to talk to you because we had a meeting yesterday with our client,
Okay.
and there's something that changed. So for now, we need to work on Valentine's Day. You
Okay.
know Valentine's Day?
Yeah, I know that.
So it's in
February.
like 2 weeks,
Yes.
3 weeks.
3 weeks only.
So we need to concentrate on Valentine's Day,
Okay.
and we need to make two campaigns,
Okay.
one with video
Okay.
and the other one with static photos.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Photo and
two
also the
campaigns.
video.
Okay,
Yeah.
two. Okay, so and then our uh, goal is not to have purchase on the website because the website is not ready yet.
Okay.
Our goal is to attract people in our stores because here in our country in Tunisia we have like seven different stores.
Okay.
Okay,
Local store.
local store.
Okay.
Exactly. So
Okay. Great.
with our campaign, our goal will be to attract people in our stores. Okay,
Okay.
so how, how do you plan to make that happen?
Okay.
What can we do?
Okay. So for these things, first of all, we need to awareness our campaign, like awareness our brand. When many types of people see our campaign like 3 or 4 times, then he easily remember our shop. And then
Mm,
when like 1 week we will run our campaign for awareness. Then we will run our campaign for engagement. Engagement means which type of people interest on our ads, which type of people like comment on our ads. Then easily he can get up these types of things. And the most important part is like when our 1 and 2 week done, then we will writing a new description, new headline, and we can give the customer 10%, 5%, 20% discount in our shop. Please visit our shop and see our product. That's I think good for us.
okay, so do we put like they can message us also like
Yeah,
to have more information? Where
sure.
are the shops located? When where can we do
Of course,
that?
yeah, we can do it if you want. But for awareness campaign, we cannot do these types of thing because awareness means just publish, like awareness. But when we will
Mm,
set up our engagement campaign, then we can target
mm.
these things. If you want, you want to conversion with your uh, customer on Messenger, we can target it. If you want to
And
WhatsApp, we can do it.
do you have and do you think that we have time because right now uh, we need to film our videos, we need to take photos. I have my team that
Okay.
will do that, but
Okay.
for now we don't have no neither photos or videos, we don't have nothing. So I plan to take the photos like in 7 days we will take the photos, okay?
Okay. Great.
And after we take and after we take the photos, I will contact you to put those photos and
Sure.
videos on campaigns.
Yeah, no
We
problem.
have time to do
I
that.
am ready. I am ready. No problem. When your all of method is done, then you just tell me and send me your ad manager account access. I will run your campaign and also I will manage and optimize all of everything.
Okay, so in just 2 weeks we can do awareness campaign
Yeah,
and the other campaign.
engagement. Yes,
So how
engagement
many?
campaign.
How, okay, how many campaigns do we need to have?
I think for awareness campaign means awareness, brand awareness. We will set up one campaign, two ad set for awareness. Okay, and then
Okay.
engagement is the good for our self and our cool and hot audience. These types of things. So when we will set up the awareness campaign, then we will set up one campaign like one video, one images, and another images like two or three. That's for engagement. Then we can see and find out which types of image and video perfect for us. Then the last step is when we will set up our discount and offering packages on our campaign. Then we can set up just for one because we have many data,
Mm,
awareness and engagement data. So we will run on
and
campaign. Most almost at
so
three campaign.
so I understood that there is 3 steps
Yes, three
as I
step. Yeah.
but these 3 steps need time. It's true or not?
Yes, need time, but if you want you awareness 3 day, 5 day, we can do it. If you want, no, I want to awareness 7 day. Awareness means that people see our ads more and more, like frequency.
Mm,
And then
mm,
engagement is the most important part. Okay. So when
Hmm.
our campaign see many types of people, then we will retargeting them. Which type of people see our campaign? Facebook just show this
Yes,
type of people. Facebook just
yes,
showing
yes.
this type of me.
I think that it's a good plan. It's a very good plan. I agree with you. Hmm. Okay, just send me all of that in a document
Okay,
so
okay,
I
okay,
can talk with my client.
okay, okay, sure.
And how much do you think we need budget?
That means awareness means if you spend more money, getting the more result and more. That's awareness. This depend on the client. How many people he want to target.
Sorry?
What is your targeted location for the campaign?
We have two locations. Tunisia, like it's called Benzart and Awina.
Okay, okay,
I will when we you will set up the ads. I will tell. I want to be with you so that I can tell you exactly where
okay, okay,
to
okay.
target
No problem, no problem.
because in this type of ads we will target people living in that area
Oh, yeah, yes,
because
because this is our local shop. Yeah. Okay, okay. We
exactly
can
because
target
we
them
need
there.
people exactly. So when we will put our ads campaigns,
Okay.
I will be with you and I will tell you exactly where the places are.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, 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 okay. And if you have any problem and any things, like he understand his business something better than us. So if he
Yes,
tell us something, then it's better for me for researching.
of course, of
Yeah.
course.
Okay, I will
Just
send you.
send me.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
give me
Thank you
some
very
time.
much.
I will send you. Okay.
Okay, okay, Naim.
Thank you
Thank you
so
very
much.
much.
Okay, thank you
See
for
you.
your
See you.
time. Okay, bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye.